Larger crowds and more testimony expected today in the trial of 3 men accused of murder in the shooting death of Ahmaud Arbery. So here's what you need to know as we get things started this week. So this week, 100 black pastors are expected to gather in Brunswick. This is following a jarring comment and apology. The apology wrapped up the week last week made by William Bryan's attorney, Kevin Goff. Now on Thursday, he said that he, quote, did not want any more black pastors in the courtroom, end quote. Well, Friday, we know that he apologized for those comments, and the attorney for Travis McMichael, Jason Sheffield, called the statement ridiculous and said he did not want to exclude anyone from the process. Court is expected to resume at 9 this morning. We want to get out right now to On Your Side's Renata DiGregorio. She's going to be there as she has been from the very beginning. Renata, what are we expecting this week? Let's take a quick look ahead.
Keitha, we're expecting a few more days of testimony from the state's witnesses, then they'll move into testimony from the defense's witnesses. We're also expecting out here where we've seen demonstrators and supporters of Ahmaud Arbery's family, expecting there to be around 100 black pastors, of course, in response to what attorney Kevin Goff said. We also heard on Friday from another defense attorney, Jason Sheffield, trying to distance himself from Goff.
That statement was totally asinine, ridiculous. In no way do we want to exclude anybody from this process.
Renata, there are a lot of moving parts here. Let's get folks caught up in what else happened in court on Friday. A lot to unpack. So we heard testimony from Officer Robert Rash. He sent a text message to the owner of the home under construction advising to call Greg McMichael when someone was seen on surveillance camera. So explain what happened in that situation.
Yeah, and we saw some of the body camera footage from his police body cam that he was wearing a few nights before that as well. This was on another night when they were looking for someone who they'd seen on the surveillance footage. Now, prosecutors asked if he had any intent to deputize Greg McMichael because he was there helping search for the person that they later found out was Arbery. He said never, but then the defense observed that he was okay with the McMichaels helping search for him.
You didn't tell Travis to go put his gun up?
Nope.
You didn't tell Travis to go home?
No, I did not.
You didn't tell Greg to go home?
No, I did not.
You didn't tell Diego to go home?
No, I did not.
They're out there keeping their eyes out, assisting you?
Yes.
In the next half hour, we'll see some of that police body cam footage and also hear from Ahmaud Arbery's father. Live in Brunswick, Renata DiGregorio, First Coast News, On Your Side.
Thanks for that, Renata. And folks, we are covering every moment of this trial for you. You can watch on digital channel 25.2 or Comcast channel 201. And you can, of course, follow along on our First Coast News app and firstcoastnews.com.